I haven't posted anything for the past, I think, 4 weeks, but I kind of had a good reason for it. I was trying to fix my CR10 and I was waiting for the brand new hot end to replace the shitty one. And because of that, I haven't designed or printed anything that was bigger. I was just only doing my minifigurines, and since the last time I did Thanos, I did I did only Thanos. That's kind of lazy. I think I was like 5 or 6 years old when I got my first He-Man, and I really wanted to make a He-Man in the same style as my other minifigurines. And I was trying to figure out what would be the best and the easiest approach, so I did a few tests and I finally made one. Usually when I'm satisfied with something I'm doing, I'm usually posting that on Twitter, so I posted a few renders of He-Man and people immediately asked, where's the Skeletor? So I started remembering how awesome it was to play with those figurines, how they had problems standing, figurines were constantly falling down, and sword was constantly falling down, falling out of his hand. It was really annoying, so I decided to do the same thing. He-Man with moving hands and the sword that you can barely fit in his hand, and it's probably gonna be a weird thing, so okay, that's it. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, hit that bell next to it so you can get notified whenever I'm releasing a new video, and I really hope I'm gonna see you next time. Bye.